In this video, I'm going to be unboxing a bunch of iPad accessories meant for artists that I bought on Aliexpress. Hello, my name is Vicky and I'm a digital artist. I bought the iPad Air as my first screen tablet for drawing, so I bought a bunch of iPad accessories on Aliexpress so I can make my drawing experience a little bit better. So now let's get to the video. Okay, so here's the iPad. I'm going to start unboxing the screen protector that I bought. Nothing else here. So this is the screen protector. This is a matte screen protector that I bought for drawing, and it comes with no instructions. Oh, it comes with two. Okay, so I installed the screen protector and I struggled up with bubbles, but it looks great. It feels very soft. Try to draw something quick in pocket, just to get a feel of it. It definitely feels very soft. Better than drawing on glass. Okay. Let's get the rest of the accessories. Here's a case that I bought for the iPad. And it's pink. It's almost the same. This one has instructions and it's only a case. Like, come on. Ooh. Here's a magnet to close it. So pretty. Here's the case. It's hard plastic. Now we don't need this anymore. It can stand on its own. Now let's get to the small accessories. I'm going to start with this one. Oh, it's the orange one. Okay, it's charging. Let's see if I can draw with this, but I don't think so. Oh, I can! Oh. Feels kinda weird. I don't think I will, but it's a good way to protect the tip. Okay, let's move on. I think one of these is another cover for the pencil. And this is not it, but I also bought a glove. And it looks kind of big. Okay, no, it's exactly my size. I bought a medium size. Well, no, it's a little bit big for this finger, but this one's fine. But yeah. This way I can draw on. I can draw and I can put my hand here, and it'll be easier to move from one side to another. Now here's the other cover, and it's pink. This one has a bit more texture, so it feels a little weird to hold, but I like it. Let's see if I can draw with this tip as well. No, this one is, oh, but this one is too thick to be able to draw with it. But it looks very nice. I also bought a bunch of pencil tip covers. And they're all pink, of course, to match this. I can draw with it. We're only missing two more. Oh no, sorry, this is already open. This is the last accessory. It's a stand for the pen, and it's a character from Line. This is Connie, if I'm not wrong. It's so cute. Wait. Okay, on the other side it looks kind of weird. But this is so cute. I can put it like this or like this. I can be drawing here. And if I want to rest it, I can leave it there or like this. I love it, it's so cute. Okay, now this is the last accessory. So let's open it up. You can see this is a laptop stand, but I bought it for the iPad so I can draw at a higher angle and closer to me in this desk. This is really big. This also has a fan for cooling because this is for laptops. Instructions. This is to attach it to the side, and you can put a mouse on it. And this is the cable for the fan. Okay, I have to press here. I have to press this button so I can move the joints. And now it is stuck there. Okay. Do the same on the other side. This way I can rest my iPad here and have it close to my face. And at a nice angle, I can go here. Okay, so this has been it for today. All of this cost me around €45, which is around 52 USD. I'll leave the links in the description so you can buy them too. Let me know in the comments which accessory was your favorite. Mine was the cutting pen stand, but I love them all. If you haven't watched my iPad unboxing, you should check it out. And if you want to see more iPad related videos and drawings and Procreate, click the subscribe button. See you next time!